Right, so before we get started, I think it is very important for us to know what we're actually trying to build. So I've shown us what the end goal is here. I've built a simple little watch face called Simple with Stats because it's a simple watch face with stats, and it looks like this. Basically, it shows you the date, time, day, as you can see there in the middle. It also shows you your heart rate in beats per minute, and it will show you the floors that you've climbed today, as well as the steps you've taken today, and your distance traveled today. I'm South African, so you know we use kilometers in South Africa. If you use miles in your country, then cool, don't stress. I'm going to show you how to do miles as well. It's actually a bit more complicated of a calculation because kilometers is 1,000 meters and Fitbit gives you the value in meters. Miles is a pain. I don't understand you guys why you use miles, but it's cool. I'm going to show you how to do it anyway. Also, I've managed to measure the battery state and draw that little green arc based on what level the battery is. So if we head over here, if the arc is 100%, if your battery state at least is 100%, then you'll have a full circled arc. If it's at about 70%, it will be 70% arced. So that's calculated based off your battery rate. And I've decided to change the color when it goes below 70%. Just because, you know what, why not? It actually might be 60%. It's whatever you want to set it to. So we'll decide in the app. You can change it however you want. And then I've made it even cooler. It goes red when it goes below 25%. So, I don't know, I like to keep my watch charged, so whenever I see it orange, I'm like, whoa, I better charge it sometime soon. And if it goes red, I know I better charge it very soon. So, I do a lot of running. As you can see, this watch face, the screenshots I've taken are really cool because I ran a lot today. I did a trail race and it was cool, and it means I did a lot of running, much better than yesterday's recording. Anyway, in the next lecture, I'm going to show you guys how to set up your phone and your Fitbit for developer mode. It's just going to be a simple article with lots of links on what you need to sign up for, etc. Actually, it's not that bad, but just follow the instructions on that page and then we can continue with development, or actually get started at least. Catch you in the next video. Ciao!